Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
How are
How
you?
are you?
Yes, I am full of beans. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I am also as fresh as a flower. Thank you for asking.
Wow, that's great. So, how was your day so far?
Yeah, my day was productive because as a mother.
Yes, definitely. Because as a mother, it's been productive, but on the other hand, it's quite hectic as well. I can understand very well. Okay, so since we are meeting or talking for the very first time, so would you mind introducing yourself?
Yes, definitely. So my name is Kirti. I hail from Bihar, but basically I live in Bangalore.
Okay.
I am a proud homemaker and as well as a mother of one kid. I have done Bachelor of Commerce. Apart from this, my hobby is I am a mellofi person. I love to listening music. I have itchy feet, so I love traveling and cooking, drawing,
Wow.
and moreover, I have also a YouTube channel. Nowadays, I have created my channel. So I have started my channel from scratch because I am learning this language. So I thought, why not? I have to start my channel in this way. I am consistent and I will learn a lot.
Yes, definitely. Since even I started my YouTube channel, my journey is incredibly rewarding me day by day. It's a quite advantage of learning this language, and moreover, if we have a YouTube channel where we can see our growth. Are
Yes,
we improving? Are we getting the benefit? After so long, so for instance, after 1 month, after 2 months, you can see your growth, isn't it? So it's a great
yes.
advantage we are getting these days through making or creating our content. Okay, so thank you so much, first of all, introducing yourself. As I come to me, my name is Meenakshi and I am from Punjab, specifically from district Jalandhar. Currently, I am also a homemaker and proud mother of one daughter. Simultaneously, I am an English teacher. I teach beginners, and recently I also started teaching to intermediate students as well. I am also running a YouTube channel by the name of Meenakshi English Vibes from Jalandhar. So my hobbies are learning new skills and expanding my knowledge day by day. It's a nutshell introduction from my side. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your introduction. And yeah, you have a lots of hobby. Means because you are learning English and you are doing well. Means you are teaching also.
Hmm.
So people will also learn from you.
Yes, it was my passion, teaching students, and I was curious since my childhood that I would like to become a teacher, but I wasn't aware that I would be a English teacher at some point of time. So by God
Yeah.
grace, nowadays I am teaching as well, and I am imparting my knowledge with my students. Okay.
Nice to hear.
So when did you embark on your English learning journey? Could you please tell me a little bit like what's your niche to learn this language? Like, is there any particular niche? And why did you start?
Actually, my niche in this learning language about I also want to become an independent because earlier I also joined in a school as a teacher. So that there I was seeing myself means I am fumbling and whenever I talk with people, so my mind went blank. So first I thought, no, I have to improve myself. After that, I will join anywhere
Hmm.
because we don't know means how to communicate with people, so how would we deliver.
Yes. Okay, so your niche was like you would like to speak with others. You wanted to impart your knowledge and you want to communicate with others. That was your niche. Okay,
Yes,
right.
yes, because I am living in Bangalore, so it is my necessity also because I don't know local language, so whenever I connect with people, so I face difficulties, so that's why I am learning.
Okay, so like started learning this language from scratch.
Yes, means not scratch. I have been learning this language for 4 months actually. So because earlier I used to learn, but that time only I watch English movie channel. Yeah, means sometimes I read newspaper. So that is the not way means how I speak up in front of people.
Hmm.
So when I joined WhatsApp group, so there I learned how to speak in front of people. Means no matter you are doing making mistake and just first you have to speak up,
Hmm.
right? So our hesitation will go, then we will start to connect with people, and then I will see about accuracy also.
Hmm. Right, right, right. Definitely, initially, I guess everyone starts. They want fluency, isn't it? Once you get the fluency, then we should work upon our accuracy as well. As I
Yes.
session with English Shari day before yesterday, I uploaded on my channel where the same thing I mentioned, like tutor also suggested those people, they are just accumulating the words, vocabularies, but still they don't believe in fluency or accuracy. So they both go hand in hand, isn't it? So I guess we should work upon our fluency first. Rather, we are just speaking new words. Mistakes are proof that we are learning, right? So if you are making mistake and anyone makes mistake, it means they are growing, they are learning. So by
Yes.
end of the day, we make sure that we will not repeat this mistake. So that's the actual way of learning this language, I must say. Okay.
And one I would like to share you means people first think okay means whenever I speak so people will judge.
Mhm.
So that is the wrong way means we are thinking wrong. People will judge, but don't think about that because if you are thinking, then it will bother.
Yes, yes,
So
definitely.
yes.
They often criticize you. Only those people can criticize you who's don't have to do anything. They have nothing to do in their life. First they listen to your entire video, right? And after then they will comment you. They have time to comment you on your video, right? And if you are talking to anyone publicly, and they will not bother, okay, what is the positive side of yours, since you are a mother, you are taking care of your family, and moreover you are learning this language, but they will not bother. Their mind, it is a human tendency, like their mind only, okay, how we can criticize people, how we can criticize other, how we can, they will not uplift you, they will not encourage you. So it's a human tendency. I don't think so we should bother about others, and we should keep our spirit up or high, right?
Yes. And I would like to say, when I join, means when I doing purposely, when I learning this language, so I understood, means if you are consistent and you are practicing every day, so anything you can achieve.
Right.
So always keep our eyes on the prize.
Yes. Wow, wonderful. Okay, so okay, as you mentioned that you are living in the Bangalore, am I right? So how's the
Yes.
weather over there?
Yeah, means weather is moderate. It is not too hot, it is not too cold.
Okay, so it's the same weather whole year, or it
Yeah.
okay, whole year
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah.
weather pleasant?
Yeah.
Because I have
Yes.
heard somewhere that in Bangalore weather is pleasant. It keeps pleasant throughout the year. Okay.
Yes.
So what do you like most in the Bangalore?
I like because I have been from means for 12 years. So I am enjoying actually because I am used to.
Hmm. Okay.
So people are also good, food is also good.
Hmm. Okay, okay, right. So what kind of food, special food over there? If I will come in Bangalore, so what should I try? What should I taste first?
Yeah, you know, South Indian food is very famous, like idli dosa, means bisbille bhat, yeah, and means sambar vada.
Oh.
This is the famous, and I recommend you whenever you means come to Bangalore, so definitely you try gobi Manchurian. It is very famous in Bangalore, and I never seen anywhere.
Wow. So have you tried?
And
How many times you tried this one?
whenever I went, means now, means this April month, it will starting raining. So
Okay.
you know, in rainy season, you we feel something spicy, and
Okay.
so yeah, means throughout year it will available, I think.
Okay.
Because if you don't, yeah, if you don't like cauliflower, so you liked actually.
Okay. No, no, but I like before getting married, I was little picky kind of person, but now I like everything. I know that ultimately I have to make or I have to prepare for myself. So now I like each and everything, whatever I prepare for me and my family.
I
That's,
think before marriage, all are like that only. Means we only want that thing just we like.
hmm.
After marriage, I understand means what is available, that is we can eat.
Yes, exactly. So, do you like junk food as well? As you mentioned, throughout the year, you can have like junk food. So, what kind of junk food, or throughout the year, do you enjoy junk food? Are you a foodie person?
Actually, I don't like junk food. Means just I feel craving, na. So that time I went out to eat. Otherwise, mostly I have idli dosa, bade or sambar, uttapam, that is available, means if you want to eat. So that kind of food I usually I eat.
Okay, okay, right. That's great. So, what kind of tradition people follow in Bangalore?
Tradition, I will say, means South means people like their culture they followed, means whatever means like festivals. Uh, just now it went means Ugadi. So so now means people enjoy that, means every festival they go to temple actually. If
Okay.
you any festival is there, so they always try to go to temple.
Hmm. Okay,
And
temple.
yes, I like to their South Indian attire also.
Okay, South Indian attire. So have you ever tried, like, have you ever wore South Indian attire?
Yeah, means in Bangalore, silk is very famous.
Okay.
So, yeah, if any festival is there, yeah, if uh, someone invite me, so there I used to wear sari, like silk sari, and you can see that, means in marriage also people like wear to silk sari only.
Oh,
They don't like to wear, means lehenga choli and that kind of dresses. They only like tradition. They follow the tradition actually.
okay, only sari means in particular occasion you are talking about. Like, if is there
Yes,
any particular occasion, then they wear
yes,
only silk sari rather wearing
yes,
other clothes.
yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Right. That's great. Like, people, normally or generally get to know like these people are from South Indian.
Yes.
So, wow.
And if you see that people, so definitely you will say, okay, see, they are very simple actually. They are not used to like, they don't wear the, means, how to say, any kind of thing, means they are normal, I think. Whenever like we are always means if you see, means I see the, means North people are very picky, means they choose that I will wear this dress, I will wear this dress, but they are not like that.
Okay, okay, right, right. Because as a Punjabi, here people or women are very, very picky, you know. They often take time to choose what to take, what to buy, what to purchase. Oh my God. Even if I talk about me, sometimes I come back without getting or without buying anything. So sometimes it is very hard to choose that what is the suitable for us and should I buy it or not. So it also depends on person to person, you know, what kind of choice they have. Some of them they choose and they buy easily, like at the drop of a hat, they just choose. They don't think twice, and without giving it a second thought, they just choose. Okay, no problem. We should
I
buy.
Yeah, I think Punjabi people is very fond about the means food and their means food, dresses, and like there is a lifestyle, right?
Right, right. Like in during winters, makki di roti, sarson da saag, and lassi. These are, you know, quite famous here. Everyone wants to taste it. Like if the foreigners come here, they often, like to have it. So these are the common, or it's a cliche in Punjab. And if I talk about the suits, like, you know, women are very, very fond of wearing different kind of suits, Punjabi suit, and Punjabi jutti, we say it like that. So even after getting married, I go to know, because where I got married, my sister-in-laws are very, very fond of this thing. They say, if you don't want to give me food, we can adjust, but we can't survive if we will not buy suit twice or thrice a month. So it depends. They are very
But
fond.
yes, but I have remembered when my fathers visited Punjab. So that time, my father also purchased jutis. Punjabi jutis are very famous, right? And suits,
Hmm.
suits cloth. So yes, and yes, because he said it is a very famous. It was he said he is that dress and all it very famous there.
Yes, yes, very famous. And once we wear suit in one occasion, we don't prefer wearing it in another, right? Like sometime, there are many people, they crack a joke that ladies have bundle of clothes in their wardrobe, but still when the occasion come, okay, what to wear now? Let's go in the market and buy something else.
I think this is the ladies' habit, means they don't want to wear again and again.
Yes, they are tend to buy clothes over and
Yes.
again, no matter how many clothes they have in the wardrobe, but still they tend to buy it over and again and new one. So, okay, even if I talk about the tradition, like here, people are really respect to elder people, you know, old age people. So they often take blessings from them. Nowadays, like we hardly see children, they respect their elders, but if the parents are doing the same, say automatically children also tend to do this, right? Otherwise nowadays we are people are, forgetting their tradition, culture, everything. But we used to, respect our parents, respect our older people as well, grandparents as well. We couldn't able to do anything without giving permission of them. So I guess nowadays it is just reducing day by day, if I am not wrong.
Because of, I think, Western culture, they are very fond about the Western culture. That is the reason.
Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. But some of them still they remember their culture and tradition. So our children also follow the same. So if the parents are following, automatically children will definitely follow the same. So we should, I guess, we
Yeah,
should remember it. Hmm.
yeah, it depend up to us actually how to teach our kids.
Yes.
because we are not following, so our kids will not follow.
Right, exactly. Obviously, they observe us, right?
Yeah.
Like recently, I was watching one video where the anchor was saying, nowadays I have seen if the four members visit here, he was a doctor, I guess. If the four member visit here, like mother, father, child, and grandfather. Okay, first sit on the chair. Who? Mother, then father, then child. Nobody asks to grandfather, right? If the father is doing the same, how children will or how child will know the value of respect, right? But
Yes.
earlier we used to, if I was already sitting somewhere now, so automatically I just stood up. Okay, he
Yes.
was the older one than me, so I should give her or give him respect. So our
Yes.
parents gave us the value, taught us the value of how to respect our older people. So that's
Yes.
how we should inculcate, we should incorporate the same habits to our children. So if the
But
parents are aware, then children can aware. Otherwise, it can be reduced day by day.
yeah, but I am saying this because means nowadays our environment and everything is changed.
Hmm.
Society is also changed. Means people learn from other kids also.
Hmm. Yes.
They obsess with other people. If
Yes.
I teach children, so they will follow, but after that they forget
Exactly. They have.
because of
Yes.
because of our society. I think means because we cannot see every time. We cannot keep eye on our children every time, right?
Yes, yes. We can't keep our eye exactly every time. It's not possible for us because now they, spend most of the time with their peers, right? And
Yes.
spend most of the time in the school as well. So how? But I guess if the parents are following, somewhere children get to know or children learn or they try to incorporate such habits in them, right? No matter what they are learning from society, from their peers, but still, if the parents are educated, they are trying make them understand that this is the
Yes.
values of our family, so we should follow, right? On the early age, right? So
Yes.
then they can learn somewhere, okay, I should also follow the same. Hmm.
Yeah, because I learned from our parents only,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
So this is our responsibility to teach them.
Yes, exactly, exactly. Okay, so like you are also running a YouTube channel, so tell me how's your channel is going on.
Yeah, my channel is going good actually.
Okay, very nice. So you also post English content only?
Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
means I post a short video
O-
and sometimes I connected with any YouTuber, so conversational video I have to upload.
Okay, so what motivated you to start your own YouTube channel?
Uh, what motivated me? I told means my co-learners motivated me. Preeti, you have a caliber. Why are you not starting your channel? They
Okay.
pushed me. I thought, okay, can I start or not? So
Hmm.
I thought, okay, let's try.
Yes, that's how you took.
Yeah, but I am enjoying actually.
Wow.
Not only for learning English, I am enjoying how to edit. That thing is also I am enjoying.
Oh my God. Means you are getting the exposure day by day. So you
Yes,
took the plunge and you started your own YouTube channel. Now you're enjoying your journey and getting the exposure and becoming the best version of yourself.
yes,
Wow. Wonderful. Okay, actually
So,
helps. Mm-hmm.
how long have been you learning this language?
It has been 2.5 years. I have been also learning this language. Yes, but I started my YouTube channel 7 or 8 months back now. So, yes, I also post English content, sometimes vocabulary, idioms with an examples. Yes.
So earlier you used to miss regular, yeah, you are learning on and off.
When I started my journey, it was intermittent. But now, I guess since my daughter started going to school, since then I have been learning this language consistently. uh, I try, like if the day is occupied and I am busy somewhere, I try to talk to someone at least for 10 or 15 minutes, so that I would not break my consistency or flow. Because if we don't speak even a one day, even a single day miss there, so next day it's again, we start fumbling. Again, we have to
Mhm.
get the thoughts. It's very hard to gather the ideas. So that's why I try to maintain my consistency.
So you mentioned that you are also in English CRE. So what is your experience about that
Yes, I
from
am.
English CRE?
Yes, yes, I am learning. If I got this fluency because they gave me every day, they gave me positive feedback, and that's how I learned. Still, I am learning, and yes, it's beneficial because as a homemaker, it was not feasible for me to go outside, right? And
Mm.
enrolled myself in any institute. But now I am learning this language by sitting at home, by sitting at my, one place. Meanwhile, I am looking after my daughter and learning this language. So it's quite beneficial and suitable for me.
Yeah, yes, you are true actually.
Hmm. Okay.
So, so means you feel cold feet or not whenever you connect with mentors?
Now it's not, to be honest. Earlier, when I started my journey with English Shari, first day, I vividly remember the first day when I had a conversation. I had a conversation with Rajni Verma ma'am, first time. So I don't know. Whenever I watch my that video, I start laughing because I was moving a lot and I was just speaking continuously and I was opening my mouth a lot. So it was quite different experience for me. But now, I feel confident. By God grace, I feel confident. It came me.
Yeah, because you are now familiar with all mentors.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yes, I think means whenever I also watch my videos, so sometimes I laughed and okay, here I am making mistake. So
Yes.
from them mistake I am learning.
Yes, yes, mistakes are, I already told you that mistakes are proof we are learning, we are growing, right? So if we don't make mistakes, so how we would learn, right? And
Yeah.
we should learn, and it's a ultimate result. It's boiled down to, if you make mistake, then you would be able to become a great speaker, eloquent speaker, right?
Yes,
And great speaker also tend to make mistakes.
definitely. Yes,
Right.
it's true.
Yes, it's true. Okay, is there any other question? If you have any other question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I guess we should wind up this session.
Yeah, I don't have, so yes, we have to
Yes,
bind up the.
right. But it was very, wonderful conversation with you. And I learned a lot and I really enjoyed our conversation. And definitely we will catch up soon. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
joining me today.
Yes, thank you for your precious time. Means you have given your time. So I am also enjoying and I am also learning from you.
Okay.
And always I used to watch your means conversational video with young English Yari.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so then
Yeah.
bye bye. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you.